Hello folks, using a series of lenses folded up inside a smartphone, sensors and prisms that allow light to enter from a camera and then bounce off the prism to hit the sensors, a periscope camera can deliver a better optical zoom on a handset. Already available on several Android flagships, the first Apple iPhone to carry such a technology should be this year's iPhone 15 Pro Max, if the rumor mill has this called right. Reportedly, the optical zoom will increase from 3x to as much as 6x on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is something to rival Samsung's Ultra 30x zoom. According to Tipster digital chat station, when it comes to the iPhone 16 Pro Max due in 2024, get ready for a huge improvement. His post on Weibo, when translated, says the iPhone 16 Pro Max will sport a periscope ultra telephoto, which probably means something like a super periscope telephoto lens. The technology would give the iPhone 16 Pro Max camera a huge focal length of as much as 300mm compared to a 77mm on current iPhone models. A 300mm focal length, while just speculation at this point, would top the 230mm focal length of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the 120mm focal length of the Pixel 7 Pro. But things won't remain static until the iPhone 16 Pro Max is unveiled in 2024. In the meantime, we could see certain Android phones, surely the Galaxy S24 Ultra for one, exceed a 300mm focal length with its periscope camera. Before you start putting off your plans to buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max and wait for 2024's top-of-the-line iPhone, there is also the possibility that digital chat station has this wrong. So you might want to keep your upgrade plans unchanged for now. Additionally, the same source claims the iPhone 16 Pro Max main camera will have a 12% larger sensor, 1 by 1.14 in size compared to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 1 by 1.28. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to stick with its predecessor's hardware. Another rumor calls for the display on the iPhone 16 Pro Max to hit 6.9 inches. According to industry insider Ross Young, who has a decent track record, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will push the 7-inch display boundary with a 6.86-inch screen, probably marketed as a 6.9-incher. The iPhone 16 Pro model, on the other hand, is also expected to receive a display enlargement, landing at 6.27 inches. According to the report, there will be no promotion on the lower models. They'll still be only 60Hz. This feature will come to all models with the iPhone 17 series, presumably. Yeah, Apple knows that if they put 120Hz on the vanilla models, a lot of buyers will go for it, instead of buying the more expensive models, and they would make less profit, obviously. They're playing this game for many years, they're masters at it. Now, what about iPhone 15 cameras? Here is everything we know so far. Keep in mind that these are all rumored camera specifications, so some of the more exciting things might not end up being true. Vice versa, Apple could totally end up surprising us with something else that has not leaked yet. Based on all of the rumors so far, there will likely be two major changes to the iPhone 15 series. The first one has to do with the main camera on the less expensive iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, which are set to get the same 48 megapixels main camera that debuted with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max last year. If the new known Pro iPhones really get this upgrade, it would mean a significant jump in quality, both in bright conditions with lots of light and even more so in darker scenarios. Even though the phones would likely use pixel binning, a process where multiple pixels are used as one, to take shots at 12 megapixels as the iPhone 14 Pro does, the images should still have slightly better detail. However, even if the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus get the new 48 megapixel sensor, there is a good chance Pro RAW format would remain, well, a Pro exclusive feature. The other benefit, on the other hand, that will almost surely be available with the 48 megapixels camera is the ability to crop on the sensor and achieve 2x lossless zoom. In other words, get a 2x zoom without visibly losing image quality like you do when you digitally zoom. This would also mean better looking portrait shots, as the background would naturally be more blurred out and appear closer to the subject. The second upgrade that is equally, if not more hyped up, is a new periscope telephoto camera capable of 5 to 6x zoom on the most premium member of the iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, only the Pro Max might be getting this improved telephoto shooter, with the regular iPhone 15 Pro remaining with a 3x telephoto like last year. And unlike its Samsung competitor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will not come with a regular telephoto camera as well as a periscope one. Instead, the 5 to 6x zoom periscope telephoto lens will be replacing the 3x one. Just like the previous generations, the iPhone 15 and iPhone iPhone 15 Plus will likely have two rear cameras, one being the main shooter and the other an ultrawide. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the other hand, get an additional telephoto camera. The one on the regular Pro stated to have 3x zoom and the one on the Pro Max 6x zoom. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.